The E03 error code on a Canon printer indicates a paper jam issue. This problem can occur due to several causes, including damaged or wrinkled paper getting stuck, incorrect paper alignment in the tray, or an open printer cover. To resolve this issue, start by checking the printer for jammed paper. Turn off the printer, disconnect it from the power source, and carefully open the printer cover to inspect for any stuck paper. If paper is jammed, slowly pull it out of the printer. Then close the cover and reconnect the power source. Turn the printer back on to see if the error is resolved. Additionally, ensure that paper is loaded properly in the tray. If there's an alignment issue, remove the paper and reload it with the correct alignment, adjusting the tray guides as needed. It's also important to make sure the printer cover is closed properly before resetting the device. If the cover is open, simply close it and power off the printer. Then reboot it to resume printing. By following these steps, the E03 error code should be resolved, allowing you to continue printing without any issues.